Santa Barbara, California. This man thought stealing a stranger's bike would somehow make his life better. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. While this man arrived on a bike, he left with a stolen package. Madison, Wisconsin. What would you do if you caught not one, but two different thieves trying to break in? Charleston, South Carolina.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Looks like just the Ring camera message was enough to scare him off. El Paso, Texas.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
I'm not sure what he was trying to do, but it definitely didn't work.
Hey, I'm outside, bro. Come on, right here. Come on, 10 homies, nigga. Right here, nigga. I'm outside, nigga. This my shit, nigga. I'm outside my crib. Come on, I'm about to right now. Stay on the phone, bro. On my son, bro. How y'all fucking his bitch and he fucking your people's, gang? Fully. Come outside.
Not sure if you noticed, but this man was carrying a gun. He even flashed it to the person he was FaceTiming. This suspicious man tried to open every door in the building. Lexington, Kentucky. This was kind of a creepy way to introduce yourself.
Hello?
Hello. Good afternoon. Are you guys home? I live down the block to the left.
I'm walking my dog right now. I'm halfway home.
Okay.
So,
Got it. I'll pass by later.
okay.
Tallahassee, Florida. This man also decided he needed to steal a bike that wasn't his. This woman went around trying to open random doors. Peoria, Illinois. Sit back and watch this drunk man try to open a door that isn't even his. Fargo, North Dakota. This guy threw acid over the fence, causing significant damage to the homeowner's cars. Here's another porch pirate, stealing not one, but two packages. Montgomery, Alabama. It looked like this man really wanted to get inside, but he didn't succeed. Dover, Delaware. This guy was checking if the bike was unlocked. Unfortunately for him, it wasn't. Shreveport, Louisiana. This guy didn't care if the bike was locked. He just took it with him. This creepy man tried to enter a random house. Glendale, Arizona. Looks like he didn't want to wait at the door with someone watching him through the Ring camera.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Here's a quick porch pirate. Augusta, Maine. This woman was caught trying to open the door, but without success. Wichita, Kansas. I have no idea why someone needs this much space just to turn a small bike. Savannah, Georgia. This man randomly tried to start a fire. Luckily, it didn't work. Trenton, New Jersey. Is stealing this much toilet paper from someone really worth it? She thought she was slick, but the camera caught her face clear as day. This man casually walked out of the house he had just robbed. Cheyenne, Wyoming. This man realized he was on the wrong porch after seeing the door. This guy was caught checking every door in the apartment building. He thought it was a good idea to smoke on a random porch. This woman got a little too excited when she saw a mailbox and went straight to look inside.
Organic. Would stay with her. Oh.
A quick in-and-out job by a porch pirate. Scranton, Pennsylvania. This man wasn't slick at all. The camera caught everything. Yakima, Washington. Watch as this man tries to open a car door. Luckily, it was locked. Salem, Oregon. This girl walked up to a random house hoping to find an unlocked door.